Types of peaks in mass spectrometry. First one, molecular ion peak. Already we know about how to form the molecular ion. The organic sample in its volatile state, after bombarding the electron, highly energetic electron, we get the molecular ion. The molecular ion peak, the peak is resulting from molecular ion of the sample is called molecular ion peak. For example, this is the molecular ion. These are the spectrums of different compounds. Here the molecular ion intensity will be low compared to fragment ion. Here molecular ion intensity will be more. Every time the molecular ion is not a base peak. So m/z of molecular ion peak is equal to molecular weight of the compound. Here we see the important features of molecular ion peaks are: the molecular ion peak in aromatic compounds is relatively much intense due to the presence of pi electron system. Due to the pi electron system, these aromatic compounds have the highest intensity. We compare to conjugated and unsaturation. These conjugated olefins show more intense molecular ion peak as compared to corresponding non-conjugated olefins with same number of unsaturation. So conjugated olefins have most intensity. Third one, unsaturated compounds give more intense peak as compared to saturated or the cyclic molecules. Compared to unsaturated, saturated cyclic molecules, saturated and cyclic molecules have the low intensity. The relative abundance of the saturated hydrocarbon is more than the corresponding branched chain compound with same number of atoms. For example, here N-pentane, this is a saturated hydrocarbon. This saturated hydrocarbon is more intense than that of neopentane. Neopentane is a same, N-pentane and neopentane have same number of carbons, same molecular weight, but this is the branched one, this is the saturated one. So saturated hydrocarbon is more intense than the branched hydrocarbon. Next one, the substitute groups like OH, OR, NH2, hydroxyl, alkoxy, amine, which lower the ionization potential, decrease the relative abundance of aromatic compounds. Absence of molecular ion peak in the mass spectrum is highly branched or tertiary alcohols. When the spectrum absents the molecular ion peak, that should be highly branched or tertiary alcohols. Last point, in the case of chloro-bromo compounds, isotope peaks are also formed along with the molecular ion peak. When chlorine, bromine has isotopes, that's why we get isotopic peaks along with the molecular ion peak. This is about molecular ion peak. Next, fragment ion peaks. Peaks appearing from fragment ions are called fragment ion peaks. These will always appear at left side of the molecular ion peak in the mass spectrum. This is the molecular ion. How molecular ion form? Loss of one electron, we get the molecular ion after the bombardment of the sample. This molecular ion forms the fragment ions. These fragment ions always the less molecular weight compared to molecular ion. That's why these peaks are always appear at left side of the molecular ion. The probability of fragmentation decreases in the order. Already we see the order in the fragment ions topic. Alcohol greater than branched hydrocarbon greater than carboxylic acids greater than ethers greater than ester, amines, ketones, thiols, straight chain hydrocarbons, sulfides, alicyclic compounds, conjugated dienes, aromatic compounds, etc. Next one, isotopic peaks. Peaks resulting from isotope ions are called isotopic ion peaks. These appears always at right side of the molecular ion peak. Isotopes whose Embiged values more compared to the molecular ion. This is the molecular ion. These Embiged values more. That's why always this peak appear at the right side of the molecular ion. So, due to the presence of certain heavier isotopes, sometimes these peaks corresponding to isotopes are also observed. These are the M+1 and M+2 types with Embiged more than the M+ value are called isotopic peaks. The isotopic peaks are generally 1 unit and 2 unit higher mass than M+ value. Hence, they are termed as M+1 and M+2 peaks respectively. For example, this is our molecular ion. This molecular ion has 1 unit more Embiged value, that is M+1, 2 units more Embiged value, that is M+2. For example, M+1 peaks. C12, this is the carbon 12. This is the normal carbon has mass 12. This is M+. C13 is another isotope, carbon isotope. The mass should be 13. This is M+1 peak. We see some examples. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. In this case, the normal intensity 100%. When these isotopes has the different types of intensities. For example, C13, that is M+1, H1, H2. This is deuterium. These are the intensities of isotopes. Carbon 13 has 1.1, hydrogen 2, that is deuterium, has 0.01%, O17 has 0.04%, N15 has 0.32% intensities. Whereas M+2 peaks, that means normal element has the 2 units less the M+2 peak. Mass is the 2 units less. The mass of spectra of the molecule containing chlorine, bromine or sulfur possess a peak corresponding molecular ion with Embiged equal to M+2 due to the presence of chlorine 37, bromine 81, sulfur 34. This peak is called M+2 peak. For example, these are the normal sulfur, chlorine, bromine. These are the isotopes. Sulfur 34 has 4.4 intensity. Chlorine 37 has 32.3 intensity. Bromine 81 has 98% intensity. Here, the chlorine, the abundance of chlorine 37 has 25% in case of monochloroalkanes. So, here the abundance of chlorine 37 isotope is 25% in case of monochloroalkanes. The mass spectra show 2 molecular ions which differ by 2 mass units are formed. The relative abundance of these 2 molecular ions is 3:1. M+2 peaks is 1/4 of the intensity of normal molecular ion, that is M peak. And compared to M peak, the M+2 peak has the 1/4 of intensity. Again, in case of bromine, the abundance of bromine 80 and bromine 82 isotopes is 1:1. These both have same intensities. Hence, the mass spectra of monobromoalkanes possess a pair of peaks roughly equal intensity. In case of sulfur, the abundance of S34 is 4.4%. The mass spectra of compounds having one sulfur atom possess M+2 peak, which has an intensity 4.4% of base peak. Hence, presence of M+2 peak in the mass spectra indicates the presence of chlorine, bromine, sulfur atoms in the molecule. Next, we discuss about base peak. Most intense peak whose abundance is taken as 100% in the mass spectrum is known as base peak, and the intensity of other peaks expressed as the percentage of base peak. Sometimes base peak may be the molecular ion peak, but not necessarily in all the cases. This is about types of ions. Today we discuss about types of ions and types of peaks, that is molecular ion peak, fragment ion peak, isotopic ion peak and base peak. Thank you.